Hello, Tony here with ADAS Depot. Today we're going to unbox this new ADASKRAFT Honda LaneWatch target. So let's get this thing unboxed and check it out. So one thing I really dislike about the factory Honda or the Altel LaneWatch target is the frame. The frame's super big, hard to fold down, put in a van, really big and bulky, takes up a lot of space, often leaves dents in the side of your van. Really a pain. So one thing I really like about this is it's super small, compact, comes in a nice little carrying case, bag, zipper. Really like that feature. So let's get this thing unzipped and take a look. All right, so right out of the gate, I see we got a pole. What's nice about this pole is it's pre-cut. So it's got a little bungee cord, kind of like your tent stakes. Works really good. All right, so that hole will go right in this hole here. Flipping this thing over, I see we got some adjustable feet. So that's a nice feature because we can level this thing out. So let's take a look. So this has a little clip in there that will insert right here where it says insert. So if we open this thing up, we can insert that in there and then pull this thing up. And if you notice, if you pull it up high enough, it comes with the setup instructions, which is a nice feature. Every Honda LaneWatch setup is the same, so you don't have to worry about looking that up. And then, yeah, we just level this thing off and place it where it needs to go. And easy peasy. So let's pull this thing down. Disassemble the pole. Place that back in the bag. Store it back in the van, and you're good to go. Really like it. Thanks for watching. See you next time.